What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Me and old Dale Meister. we just made it out here to Center Hill. We're gonna put in, see if we can't catch some fish today. So you guys stay tuned with us. We'll see what happens. Boy, it's beautiful. Got a tournament that's just launched out of here. These people are crazy. All this fog blasting out of here like madmen. Check it out, guys. That's a beautiful smallmouth. We haven't caught a single fish all day long, and I ended up throwing the old Ned rig. I'm not going to go back there and pick it up and show you. You know what a Ned rig looks like, but that's what I got. He's pretty long. What do you think the length is on him? About 16 and a half. 16 and a quarter. Yep. Not bad.
Still a nice chunk.
Yep.
Pretty fish.
But there he is, guys. Nice and healthy.
Mm-hmm.
I'm so thankful to just get one at least.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna send him back.
Yeah, up until now we've only had one bite apiece all day.
Thank you, buddy. Woo! Heck yeah, guys.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Okay.
What you got, Dale?
I don't know. I think it's a good smallie.
Don't you lose that dang fish.
Ooh.
Don't you jump either. Stay down.
Oh yeah.
Look at it. Got the scale out for him and everything. Oh, nice. Nice.
You might want to get that net.
I'm gonna lip him.
Oh. Sorry, I'm on another line right now. I can't talk.
Yeah.
Oh.
Bring him to me.
Ooh, nice. Like yours.
Yeah.
Twins.
He's bigger.
Think so?
Yep. Check him out. The shortest video ever. But we got a second one.
Quality, not quantity.
We got the new Bubba scale. We're gonna break it in on a fish here. On Dale's first fish here today.
It only took all day.
It only took all day long. Alright, hold on. Let's clear 0. .12 2.12 ounces. That's pretty nice.
Mm-hmm. Not bad.
Not far off from being 3 pounds.
Okay, we can go home now. We both won. We tied. We're both winners today. Nice.
We worked real hard for that fish, folks.
Yeah. We've been working hard all day.
He's hooked up, folks. First fish that we've seen all day. We don't know what it is yet. It's a small. Nice. Yeah. 17.
Yeah, 17.
17 and a quarter.
Not bad.
2 pounds, 8 ounces.
All right. Not bad.
Check it out, guys. Fish.
Come on.
It was, guys.